Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to restore deleted files on Windows using a few simple methods. Asterisk. If you've ever deleted something important by mistake, don't worry, there's a good chance you can get it back. First, start by checking the recycle bin. As most deleted files are, just moved there and not permanently removed. Simply open the recycle bin from your desktop, find the file, right-click it, and select Restore to send it back to its original location. If the file isn't there, asterisk, the next step is to try File History, which works if you've enabled backups in Windows. Just search for Restore Your Files with File History in the Start menu. Go to the folder where the file was originally located, browse through previous versions using the arrows, and click Restore to recover it. If File History wasn't set up, you can try using the Restore Previous Versions feature. Right-click the folder where the file used to be. Choose Restore Previous Versions. Pick a version from before the file was deleted and hit Restore. These built-in options cover most recovery situations. Asterisk, but if none of them work, you can try third-party software like for DDIG for deeper recovery, especially on external drives or if the file was permanently deleted. Asterisk, if this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.